Gamers! Catapult stream time. This will be the fastest stream you ever see because I got shit to do later today, and I forgot that I had to do it. At 6:30 p.m. PST, I'd leave. 100% I'd leave. But right now I stay. I stay, and we fix this rat-ass catapult. Some of you might be wondering what the fuck am I doing? And that's a really good question. That's a super good question. Time to play the video. Look, I know you guys love the video. Ignore that. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Wait, watch this. Wait. No. I'm Michael, and this is my catapult. I built it to launch naughty little dogs into low Earth orbit, and it did. But now it's just kind of fucking sitting here in the garage, and I need to make use of it. Coincidentally, I also started streaming again on Twitch, and I have a bunch of subscribers who've been subscribed for like 5 years. They must have forgot to turn off their credit card notification, so I kind of want to let them do something cool. So what if the two things could come together? And you know where I'm going with this. You know what I'm talking about. No, I feel like that would be too hard. And let the long-time subscribers fire the fucking catapult at the wall, I guess. There's a few steps we need to take before doing this. Number one, this thing fucking sucks. It actually has a bug. When it's loading itself, it'll sometimes just crash. Here's when I was calling Mark Rober, and I was arming it. The thing crashed, and it tried to kill itself with the winch, and I just had to get down there and fucking unplug it with my hand. 2, make Twitch chat be able to load and fire the thing. And 3, I almost get my finger chopped off by it sometimes. So I want to make it auto-load itself. Yeah, and that's the whole idea. And now I don't have to tell you about it when I'm streaming, and I can fucking ban you if you ask. Bah. Okay, so where are we in that? Not very far. If I'm being completely honest, boys, not very far. Did I ever figure out why the welder changed the camera? Yeah, we kind of did figure out why the welder changed the camera. But I'll tell you after. First, we got to do a recap of what the hell's going on today and what happened yesterday, the day before. I don't know. There. Okay, got an idea for the winch cocking and uncocking. Well, surprise, surprise, we already have that done. Sort of. Okay. Here's what we made last time. This metal bar. It doesn't look very impressive, but it is impressive because we made it. So normally, how the catapult works. Bang! This gets pulled back by a winch, locked in. I have to reach my finger in to undo the winch, and then it almost slices my little fingers every time. I don't like that. So instead we came up with this. The winch attaches to this metal bar like a mouse trap. Then that locks in place, and then a weight on this pulley pulls the like freaking spring trap, Five Nights at Freddy's, back up to the top. So that's what we're doing. That's what we did last time. And the pulley system I figured out all on my own, and it was just very easy and super kind of simple to figure out and put together. It's good. I think it's good. I'd like to finish it today. That's the goal, all right? The goal is to finish it today and never have to think about this again. So, I don't know where the fuck were we. I guess just making this guy work, right? Making this dude work. Having it load itself, and then, so I don't have to reach my little fingy in there, you know? Thank you, kid, with 20 for the sub, and still Ryan for the sub. You fell asleep after the welding experiment? What about the slack from the winch wire? Right, so there's gonna be no slack. No slack from the winch wire. No slack from the winch wire, because, it's gonna be on this spring trap, right? And because the spring trap is always under tension, ideally the winch is never slack. So it's getting like, pulls itself back up. And now in this state, the catapult arm is down, and this shit doesn't, this shit doesn't fly up until we tell it to fly up. And then it boom, flies up, fires, and then you can just like cycle it over and over again. I hope that makes sense, because I simply don't know how to explain it any better. Also, yeah, that's a shame. That camera is broken, for sure. Dude, how did that happen? Huh, okay. That camera got, I think, both wires shot off the back again. That's fine. We'll fix that later, I think. Later, because I think now is welding time, right? It always seems like a good time to do welding time. Yeah. Yeah. I'll fix that camera some other day, even though I kind of love that camera. Put this there. All right. I think it's welding time. Right now, it should be pretty easy. Should be pretty simple. You take your winch, shit ass. Okay, we take our winch, and like I said, instead of putting it attached to the main arm, we put it on freaking Springtrap Freddy Fazbear arm, like this. Ooh, the winch wire will get caught, surely. That's okay, that's okay, we can move that. So I think we weld like a place for the hook to live here, and then hook on the hook, and then that's life. That's all we gotta do. It's not easy. Still working on this? Shit, yeah. I think it could have been done the other day, but I spent maybe an hour and a half figuring out how the concept of pulleys works, so that set us back a few minutes. A few hours, actually. If you didn't catch that, you weren't missing much. You were missing the saddest point in my life. Trying to figure out how the concept of a pulley works. And I know you guys don't all know how a fucking pulley works. Because you were saying some stupid shit also. I was just saying it much louder. Okay. Okay, I think, yeah, what we need is like, yeah, I think you demoed for the sub, and Valencia for the sub. No, it was, yeah, it was, no, I think it was really good. Yeah, I'm thinking hook. Yeah, somewhere for the hook to go onto. So I've got like a bunch of metal cutoffs over here. Like random bullshit, you know? And I was thinking, oh yeah, that's a beauty. So like if we just cut off one side of this, if we cut this tube small and then cut off one side and then boom. I guess we wouldn't have to cut off one side. We just weld this boom, cut it boom, and then that's like a hook locator kind of thing. I think that's what we're gonna do. And we gotta finish all this in like 4 hours. I think we can do it. I think we can do it, honestly. Yeah, you get in there. Let's give it a little slice. Music is too loud, you're too quiet. Oh, no bad, dude. No problem, dude. I got it. All I need is one person to say one thing and I'll tank up the whole stream. Yeah, I got you. Okay. I think I should get one for the sub. You guys ever seen this? This is bandsaw, my DeWalt bandsaw. It's like the other bandsaw, but you put it in your hand instead. So where there once was a steel tube, is now the loudest noise you've ever heard. Is the volume good now? Yeah, no, I figure it's fine. I assume it's really good, actually. Yay. It's gonna be hot. Here, see that? Yeah. Amazing? Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. No gloves? Yeah, I mean, my logic for that one is like, I don't think any glove in the world saves me from that one. Maybe just from like the little spines. Let me show you exactly what we're working with. Okay. Bink, that goes there. And then that's just like a point to hook this guy onto. That looks like it works great to me. Put the hook fits there, and then you can just permanently hold the hook to this metal resetter trap thing. A little Freddy Fazbear type of thing. I got bored thinking this up. Not hot? Yeah, no, it's hot. But the cool thing is, about hot stuff is like, touch it enough times. Stop feeling it. Stop feeling hot. Oh, I forgot to turn my gas off last time. I'm gonna weld this bad boy. Does the welder still EMP the cameras? The welder, you know what? I guess we'll have to look and see if the welder still EMPs the cameras. My theory, I missed. No bullet. I wanna say yes. I wanna say 100% the welder still EMPs the cameras. But you're never gonna know. You're never gonna know. You sure it's not gonna snap off? No, I'm gonna weld the shit out of it. I feel like there's no shot it snaps off. I think you're rare for the something. Dude, this shit. So much text. Subs. Let's throw this here. Please wear safety goggles. Nah, I got my glasses, which are, I think, polycarbonate. So it's like a little bit better. I got them specifically to be a little, you know, like tougher and rougher. So what we do gotta do is either undo this and bring it over to the welding table, or I guess I could just, I could just bring the whole fucking thing to the welding table. Let me look at you for the sub. Yeah, why not? Why shouldn't I just bring the entire catapult to the welding table? Okay. Mic a little quiet? Oh, no problem, dude. I'll change the whole stream up. Blah, blah. Cock, 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 cock. Cool. You don't need PPE on the feet when you're welding with your hands. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about welding. I think it's similar from this. I recommend steel-toed boots. Dude, I've been trying to find like steel-toed, like tennis shoes. They're just like normal shoes, but it's kind of hard to find them because I don't like putting on boots. It's very bulky and big, and I take my shoes off a lot. So, and I can't wear I did a thing's steel-toed Crocs because William Osmond sold those. He sold those on eBay. Yeah, we got to do a little bit of grinding here. Just a touch of grinding to get off the yucky, disgusting mill scale. I'll put on gloves for that. Yeah, let's put that on. This guy. And this is, light pass, right? There's a lot of very yucky mill scale on this. Mill scale is like when you get this shit, like it gets made at the mill, and a bunch of like oxidized shit goes on the outside of the metal, and it makes it a bad weld. Isn't that dangerous? I'm not a huge fan of doing it. For small parts, if I do a light touch. Yeah, aren't you glad I turned the volume up now? I'll do it on some small parts. But yeah, usually you'd want to clamp that. 100% you'd want to clamp that. Like 1,000% actually. And then, let me get this guy up. I think we'll be clamping it. You see this shit? Like here? Turn that around. Yeah, you guys can see this shit. I think we'll be clamping it and welding it maybe like right here. Cause this, they still have the mill scale taken off from when I welded the whole beam together. Yeah, okay. Do I have a lens filter for the welding? No, I don't. I think you're Joe Taylor for the sub. If you will pull all the metal all the way down. Maybe its shortest point would be above. What the fuck does that mean? I need you to draw a diagram, like I had drawn for the pulleys. Okay, I'll show you this. And because this needs to get grounded to be able to weld, what I'm gonna do is I have like a spare ground clamp. And kind of what I do is I just take it, and because the table's grounded, bam, I just throw it anywhere on the table, and then now wherever I put this, that's now grounded. Pretty sweet. Pretty sick. I would love for that to stay up. I'd love for it to stay up. I guess, yeah, I could clamp it. It sucks so bad to happen while I'm welding. Boom, throw this here. Boom, throw this here. Yeah, that would be almost catastrophic if that fell on me while it was really hot and welding. Okay. Why are you upgrading the catapult though? I already finished the video. Yeah, I did already finish the video, but I just want, I mean, there's so many parts of it that I wanted to make a little bit better. And I thought that this was a good opportunity for the Twitch subs that I abandoned for so many years to get to do something a little bit fun. Honest to God, I asked, and one guy said that that would be cool, and then now I changed my entire everything to make it happen. So. Yeah, I'm doing pretty much the same thing as 2 days ago, but this time there's progress. So you clamp this bad boy on there. Bang. I just get like a nice little weld going on. Or maybe to the, actually, yeah, you're right. You're right. A little voice in my head. To the side would be better. So it can, boom. Little welding stream. Come on. Now I know what you're thinking. Won't this melt the tube? And the answer is 100% yes. So I need a better solution to that. A smaller clamp, probably. Once it's chat controlled, will you stream more? Yeah. I think I have like a couple more projects that I want to do someday, you know, coming out. I think we clamp this right here, and that would make for a nice mounting point. You guys see this shit? Yeah. Come on, buddy. Clamp right here. I got at least 3 more projects that I wanted to do for stream. Though when this is done, I'll probably take a, you know, another few day break to do other shit. So that this stops, so it's not boring. Camera's fucked? Sick. Oh, that's fucking sick. Alright, dope. Yeah, I'll give you a little zoom skis for what we did. Boom, clamped on there. Wow, the focus on this camera blows ass, huh? Alright, that's what we did. Really simple. But it's okay if it's really simple. It just needs to achieve the goal of being like a mounting point. Okay, thank you, Ashik, for the sub. Okay, boom, this guy. The hook for the winch. It's gonna clip onto there. That's perfect. Now let's just weld this bad boy on. It's super easy. Throw a welding hood on for some safety and all that good stuff. I get my pedal. Shit, dick, fucking shit. Oh. Come on, pedal. Come on, weld pedal. Okay. It might seem like I'm rushing. It's because I am. Because I gotta leave in like 3 hours. think we can do it. Okay, deity. Oh, I should not be doing that near the plastic. Fuck. Oh yeah, does that switch the cameras? I assume it still does, no? It didn't. Hey. Whoa, that's weird, right? Isn't that strange? Because I didn't fix any of the other cameras except for the tripod camera. Huh. Maybe we don't know science as well as we thought we did. Oh, come on, move over a bit. Yeah. And I'm gonna tack this bad boy up. Close your eyes, chat. Nice. Cool. Take the clamp off. Dude, honestly, my preferred welding is TIG. Because I'm like an elitist. And also it's most like soldering, so I just kind of tend to like it. MIG is nice because it's convenient. It just, like, I feel like it makes too much sparks, and it scares me that I'm gonna like light the garage on fire, you know? Thank you, Moby Smokes, for the raid. Yeah, okay, let's finish this. W welds. We'll see. We'll see if I fill it in nicely. Yeah, this has to be like relatively strong because it's gonna take the force of the whole winch, right? So if it breaks, I don't know, horrible shit. Fucking dogs eating cats in the streets. So I'm gonna weld this uphill real quick. Good penetration. I'm welding this one soft style. I don't even need the filler. Okay, that might have been the best weld this season. That was kind of beautiful and nice. Yeah, I do love that the TIG isn't really messy and horrible. Thank you, Chili Gamer, for the sub. Foot pedal slaps? Dude, the foot pedal's great. It came with the welder. It was free with the welder. And the foot pedal, like, it makes you able to control how much power is going to the torque. So if I do like, it's like a gas pedal in a car, you know, like your accelerator. Cover the wrist there. So if I go like minimal, it's very small arc, but then I can like pump a shit ton of arc into it as well. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Two sides? Nah, maybe I do the top as well. Yeah, maybe we run it on the top. Because this is a huge load-bearing component that could go really bad. Let's do this. Yeah. Just throw a little weld on this side, and then we should be done. You guys see it? Yeah. Okay, this one's dog shit. It's good enough though. Shit, it's good enough. Okay. That's a beauty. Hey! Why is the camera over there? I think it's the high frequency start on the welder, because it wasn't happening earlier, right? What happened? Dude, we had a whole long adventure about what causes that on the last stream. The going theory is it's the high frequency start on the welder to get the welding arc started. So realistically, every time it does that, it should switch over to every camera except for this camera, because we put a capacitor on it. All right, cool. This here. Nice. Well, that works good, I think. This will come up, and the weld hook will go right here, and that won't fall on me. Okay, check it out. And this hooks on to that shit we just welded on. Boom, like that. It's nice, no? I think it's nice. I think it's freaking sweet. Nah, it won't blow up. I think 80% chance it won't blow up. Alright. Oh, what happened to the 3D printed tinfoil solution? Okay, right, so we were gonna 3D print tinfoil and put it over the targets, because the high frequency stuff from the weld is freaking it out, but then I realized that that's what radio waves is EMF, so then it would block them from being able to talk to the router, which is how they communicate with OBS, so yeah. Oh, thank you. Turn gases off. That might be the one good chat of the entire stream so far. Turn the fucking gas off so it doesn't all leak out. Cool. Let's I think if I put the weight on, we can actually test it. Is the cable in the way when the catapult launches? Honestly, a little bit. Yeah, honestly, sort of. I can move the steel, like this frame, over a little bit to give the cable relief, to give it just like a little bit of angle. Also, what I can do is I can cut this chunk of wood so it's not so in the way. But like, what if it just doesn't matter, you know? Like, what if it's just fine? It might be worth a test. Might be worth a shot with like one rubber band engaged. Sorry, you couldn't hear shit. It might be worth a shot with to just test it with one rubber band engaged. Low danger, high payoff. Okay, I need to reattach this. What do you mean 3D printed tinfoil? So the idea was that we were gonna shield our little camera switchers with tinfoil, but they need to use their Wi-Fi antennas to talk, so we can't shield the whole thing with tinfoil. And we landed on like a capacitor filtering solution that seems to work, but I just haven't done it on all the cameras yet. So that's why you guys saw switching. But if I'm right, or if, I don't know, probably if chat's right, it never switches back to this camera when I'm welding. Oh yeah, not the 3D printer would be printing tinfoil. I was gonna print a case and then line the inside of the case with actual tinfoil. I see where the confusion is. Nah, my 3D printer can't print tinfoil. Smaller pull down, higher threshold. It seems to work on the, shit. It seems to work with the tiny capacitor. Jesus. I feel like I will take this to open source. You know, you put so much work into it, you may as well, right? Shit. Could you shield everything but the Wi-Fi antenna? Honestly, that's not a bad idea. Shut up. That's not a bad idea, but the capacitor fix, if it actually fixes it, would be like so much easier. Get this weight. Nice. Okay, if you weren't here in the last stream, this is how the pulley system works. It goes down, and then once it's cocked, you let go. Okay, maybe I need a little more weight, but okay, maybe I need a lot more weight. But then it pulls it back up to the top, which I think is pretty good. I have more weight that I can zip tie. Let me get this. I'll just zip tie the weights together. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Do I still have Pissbot 9000? Yeah, the dog is a little bit dead, but I still got the backpack for Pissbot 9000 here. Makes really good wall art. Makes excellent, great art for the walls. I don't think I've showed you guys this stuff. Here's, Lily drew this blueprint of a lathe for my birthday. This is my first aid box. This is Lily's first draft of the song First Cup of Coffee. This is, dude, Ludwig got that for a birthday present. That's a real one-piece drawing made by Ed Oda himself on this little thing. It's real. That's real. I need to put like a little plaque next to it to show. Yeah, I didn't know, it wasn't clear in the message if it was real. Like, or I thought it was just a drawing of Luffy, which I thought was really cool. But then I was like, oh no, that's the real one. And then here's some more lyrics that Lily made. And then, shit, we also got, this I stole from doing the F4 thing. That was one of the sponsors for the F4 event. Then here, this poster, I made this myself. Because I saw the lady on the Life Alerts website, and I just thought the pose was so enchanting and enriching that it needed to be on a nice, like, cohesive poster, so I made that. Dude, and then I tried to hit up Life Alert to ask if I could do a sponsor, like a collab, you know, like a merch collab with Life Alert, and they never got back to us. They never got back to us even a little. They didn't respond to a single message. Yeah, I wanted to sell these. Maybe I still will sell these. Maybe just no one works there and that's why. Then here's some other like shit. I got this in Japan. There's a minion hanging. This is from the Pissbot video. I did like a stop motion shit and had all these frames. I think OG Trigger for sub. Freaking, we got. Shit, what else we got? Yeah, quick distraction to show you what's on my walls. Lily made this for my birthday, another birthday present. That was sick. That's probably one of my favorite posters ever. Maybe I sell that someday. Then that is a gun I made on stream. Then that is just some stuff I like. And someone gave that Tenga, combination Tenga action figure to me in Japan once. Yeah, and that's all the wall art, pretty much. Okay, back to it. Shit, we were doing stuff. Okay. Thank you for the sub. If you ever move out or have someone that doesn't know, yeah, dude, if someone ever moves into this place, they're gonna see the blood splatter and a bunch of BB holes in the walls with the camera where we missed. Every time I miss a target with the gun, it makes a tiny little hole in the wall. Someday I'll fix that. Someday, chat, I'm gonna treat you guys. I'm gonna treat you to a drywall repair tutorial stream. Wouldn't you like that? Wouldn't you like that, chat? Wouldn't that just be a fun little treat for all of you? here. Yeah. Just be zip tying the weight together. It's worked so far, you know? God, zip ties are so nice. Okay, cool. Okay, I feel like this will do it. It's like 35 pounds. It's like my max bench. So boom, the winch pulls. Oh, it's still hot. Winch pulls, 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 pulls. Cocks this arm, yeah? Cocks the arm, cock. Yes, yes, and then I let go. Kind of loud, but oh, that won't happen because the winch is attached. Yes, yes, this is good. This makes sense, I think. Yeah, the visual representation for you guys works. Right? Boom. Ah, pulley, 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 pulley. Bang. Cocks it, let go, or the winch lets out, goes back to the top, and then this can fire independently of the winch, so I don't have to get my finger sliced. I think it's time to test it out after I piss. I should have a target, like a target that I hit that displays like a, I don't know, like a pissing animation. Something I can shoot when I go to the bathroom. Just let you know what's happening. Truth be told, I miss piss cup a little bit. Truth be told, I miss piss cup a lot. Oh, and I cannot say this. Caked in piss. That's a really cool stream over there, though. For about a minute. Oh, fuck. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thanks, Super Crimmers, for the sub. And Sturgis and Rodlow. Yeah, that was a 7 out of 10 piss. That was a piss that you take because you're kind of scared to test your catapult out. Though something I figure we do need to do is make the winch go back up after it cocks it. So we need to change the ESP code really quick. Yeah. I'm gonna change the ESP code to make the reset timer like quite a bit longer. And we're just gonna do a timer for this one. Cause I said so. Yeah, cause I said so. Okay. Right there. Cool. Please tell me you still have the Elmo? Dude, the Elmo's in Hawaii. The Elmo it still exists, but it's in the same tiny little shed that I had. Some random Nico and to mouse loop for the sub. Just show this here. And this guy is our ESP for the catapult. I gotta get a wire to. Get a wire so we can transfer some data to it. Oh, dude, I gotta show you guys this shit. Wait, you'll never believe what I discovered. Okay. Remember how we're like complaining? I'm complaining? How long it takes to reload the shells? Okay, you gotta see this shit. So I was just shooting it in here the other day, or yesterday, I guess. You know, and I'm like, oh fuck, I gotta for fun. And I'm like, shit, I gotta reload it. It takes so much time. What? Like, what the fuck? What? What? Right? Isn't that kind of crazy? Every single one, if you just shake it enough, it reloads the bullets. Dude, and I got kind of mad because I was thinking about like an automated assembly line to place each of the bullets in each of these. And I'm like, fucking just shake it in the Altoids can. Isn't that sick? Yeah, I think you could still automate it, you know? It would just be like drastically different from my original vision of how to automate it. Yeah, isn't that cool? That's like the shit that, I watch a lot of assembly line videos. And that's like the shit that you, like a process that gets automated and you're like, how the fuck did they ever find that out? That's what this feels like. Isn't that kind of sick? Yeah, just throw it in the shaker. Like, I think the assembly process would be like literally put it into a hopper and then it drops down past a sensor. The sensor like closes some shaker device, shakes it up, and then the BBs get filtered out, and then these guys drop out the bottom and like dispensed at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. I'd love to make a little reloading assembly line. That's so cool. What up? Nah. Man, this camera's so bright by default. Don't forget to buffer overloads. Adding countdown for release would be good too. That's smart. I think we'll do that on the server side instead of on the Arduino. Okay, or on the ESP. Okay, I just wanted to share that little discovery. Okay, think. And then I'm gonna go to some code. Then I'm gonna go to some code. VS Code, all right. Okay, wrong code, wrong window. Yeah, this guy, all right. So we have, here, right here, take tension off the winch. And we're gonna do a timer for now. Maybe we do another sensor at the top to check the reset, but I don't know. I don't wanna. Cheating? Oh yeah. Saw the cheating file on the other code window, huh? Yeah, no, I cheat on my significant other through GitHub repo commit messages. No, that's for I was trying to figure out some like random server code, and it was gonna take a long time. So I copy pasted some shit from the internet, so we had a good tutorial to like work off of. But that was for some other shit. All right, here. What happened to the bullet I made before? Ah, still here. It's still here. Doesn't get much use because it's a piece of shit, but still here. Oh, what is this? Yeah, right here. Okay, so I feel like we do like, I don't know, freaking yeah. Thank you, Udons, for the rate of 1. All right, let's go. Does a dog catapult work for 100-pound dogs? Dude, I feel like it would. I think if you just add more rubber bands, it gives it more torque and eventually doesn't increase the speed at which it launches. I think 10 rubber bands launches a 100-pound dog easily. Okay, so we take the tension off the winch, that's this. So I'm gonna do like, how many milliseconds, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 milliseconds. I don't know, maybe like 7,000. 7,000 milliseconds is 7 seconds. I think you bought my Cruiser for the Prem. Yeah. Which would be way worse for IDK about easily. Yeah, okay, let's hit this. Let's hit this upload real quick, and then we'll slap this back into the catapult. W Chin Chin mouse? Yeah, dude. It's one of my greatest possessions I've ever owned. Okay, the camera's fucking blown out, but there's a picture of Filthy Frank on it. God bless his soul, God bless his soul. Surely the greatest YouTuber has ever lived. Okay. Pop this out. Yeah, it's a sick mouse. I'll miss him. Yeah, Filthy Frank, Joji, whatever, man. In my mind, they're two different people. Ah! Alright, throw that there. The last time we were ever happy on YouTube. Ooh. plug in. Oh, and I gotta reconnect the car battery. I guess motorcycle battery. This guy. The whole thing runs on like a motorcycle battery. It's a nice small package for 12 volts. Have I met George before? Nope. Nope. And I don't know if I ever want to. I think I would like him too much and I'd embarrass myself, and I am too afraid of that. I will not. I'll let him live in my head as an entity that I will always love and cherish. Shit. Never meet your heroes? Yeah, I feel like he wouldn't even be a bad hero. It would just like, I would just make a fool of myself. I'd start like frothing at the mouth and then seize on the ground. Man, this mic is floppy as shit. Can I like tape this to my body? Oh, can you replace the actuator with a solenoid so it can actually be the actuator with the solenoid? What do you mean by that? This is a solenoid. The piston is actuated by a solenoid. Go like this. Okay. Cock, cock, cock. Cock, cock. Thank Crazy for this up. Could you create slow reverse of the launch so winch is too slow and it doesn't latch? It just won't launch. Yeah, so, I mean, it has like cock detection, not cock detection, cocked detection, cocked arm detection, whatever. This spring completes a circuit, so it does know exactly when the winch is pulled back. Or when the arm is pulled back. Yeah, it does, yeah. That's enough. I think that explains that. Let me, gotta connect the catapult to power, you know? Put this here. Okay. Let's get this in. No. I love the ideas though. I love the ideas so that I have more shit to ignore. But like sometimes it's a really good idea. Like the guy who recommended doing a weighted pulley system. I mean, fuck you for like having me do pulleys, but I think it's, I think it looks so cool with the weighted pulley system. Just visually, I think like maybe mechanically it's not so smart to have this, but I think it's sick. I lost the other screw. Not sick. All right. Do this. Connect a car battery real quick. Doesn't it look like a trebuchet with the like counterweight, but it actually does like nothing related to firing it. I think that's pretty cool. Okay. Throw this here, nice.
So sorry to hear about your brother that passed away.
Car battery's kind of a bitch to connect. All right. Nice, that gives us nice, juicy, sexy 12 volts for everything, really. For the ESP and for the winch. Is it smart to have like the logic on the same battery that controls a fucking winch? No, but it does. Yeah, thank you X29 for the 5 gifted subs. Thank you X29 for the 5 gifted subs. You know, just for you X29, next stream is gonna be a drywall repair stream. Next stream you're getting a drywall repair stream, and that's a shout out to you. Fuck. Okay. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. Are you more productive on or off stream? Dude, probably on stream, because I just want to finish something. Yeah, dude, I can be super unproductive off stream. But then also I can be super unproductive on stream. I think the answer to your question is I am just a generally unproductive person. Get that winch on there. Don't want that to go floppy. Yeah, don't want that to go floppy. So this is a good starting point. I do worry, right? That the winch, no, we can't let our life be dictated by fear. Sometimes you just need to cock a catapult. Listen. Thank you, Anderson, for the sub, and Killer Joke for the sub. Okay, throw, boom. This gets powered. ESP32 on. Oh my god, this is exciting. This is exciting. Okay. Now. Oh. Now, I'm gonna go into just a random terminal, and I'm gonna tell the ESP32 to arm. Put electrical tape on the winch wire so it does not close the circuit by accident. On the winch wires? No. So there's no power going to the winch, I think. Whoa, good question. Whatever. Okay. Swap. Whoops. Ooh. Okay. So that's a problem. Okay. Still good though. Still kind of works. It's still all right. Surely. Okay. Fuck. Damn. Okay. So we're in a bit of a predicament, yeah. That's not too bad. I think the biggest problem that we didn't see is this shit gets caught on the rubber bands, and that is not good. So how do we stop that from happening? I'm gonna get hit in the dick with a rubber band. I guess, okay, so if this is coming back, right? Yeah, the interference with this is huge. Yeah, the interference with the just like hits the rubber bands. But ever so slightly it hits the rubber bands. Shit. What if? Why is the bar so wide? I don't know. I don't know. I guess we have to make it. I didn't want the bar to like slip off. Fuck, that's like kind of a huge problem. Thank you, parent, for this stuff. What if the metal was shorter? I feel like that's not a bad idea. Like just making the metal like bit, like instead of like it goes, you know? That's probably the best and most honest solution to this problem. Trying to think of an easier way that I don't have to think about this. Because I'd love not to have to remount the metal bar. It sounds like kind of annoying. Okay. But the wood wouldn't catch it. I don't know what you're saying. Just make it shorter from the long end. Yeah, you could make it shorter from the long end, but then that's gonna be a lot more torque because you're not gonna have the leverage advantage that the winch has to pull. The winch is gonna have to like pull a lot harder, and I don't know if this tiny winch can pull that hard. I mean, I'm sure it can, but yeah, we could shorten the height of the bar by not that much. We could shorten it by like, I don't know, a few inches. Like, how tall are you? Like, if we're here, like, what if you shorten it? Put the rubber bands higher? No, I don't want to do that. Okay, so we're pulling it down. We could shorten it by like, yeah, by like 2 inches, and I feel like that would, maybe 3. I feel like that wouldn't increase the torque too much or too bad. I think. But then this like stopper wouldn't work. Yeah, maybe, Maybe narrower is the solution. Yeah, I think, yeah, maybe narrower is the solution. A triangle? Yeah, that would also work, huh? Is narrower the solution? Because then the rubber, okay, because then, if it's narrower though, right? We gotta think about the winch cable. The winch cable would then be like here, and that would be kind of messing with it. That'd be kind of interfering with some clearances, right? Is it just the hook catching? Yeah, it might, maybe it is just the hook catching. Like, it seems like it's the hook mounting point that we just welded. What if I just fucking cut it off, you know? And mounted the hook like somewhere else. I could just do that. What else could it be? Yeah, maybe that's smart. Maybe this is mounted in a dumpster. Here, I can show you guys. It might be mounted in a really stupid spot. Here? Yeah, I think maybe it could slip by if it weren't for this stupid shit that we put on. Move the winch to below the catapult. Nah. Would that even be a solution? Because it still needs like the pulley. I'm just gonna cut that thing. I like how you think, one guy in chat. I like how you think. Yeah. There. Yeah, I think moving it inside the frame is not a bad idea. Bandsaw time. I know you guys love the bandsaw time. I think the rage, this up. Okay, what's the point of the weights? The point of the weights is to make this arm reset on its own. So when it gets pulled down, it'll naturally wanna come back up when the winch has slack put on it. Yeah. Fuck the welds that I just added. Wow, this is taking a while. I feel like I did some pretty solid welds. Cool. Back to square one. Does that sound sick? That sounds sick, huh? And I'm just gonna, what if I just hit it with the metal file? Just make that look nice. Oh yeah, oh yeah, see? You can't even tell that there was anything there. See, like, you can't even tell that there was like anything there really. It's pretty good. Cool, 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 cool. Let's test it with clearance. Okay, let's test this fucking clearance. So now, if we're pretending to pull this arm back, oh, that is a lot of weight. Ooh, ooh, okay. We're pretending to pull it back. Scary. Oh, did it clear? Did it clear? Wait, what? Dude, what was stopping this from clearing in the first place? It's like nowhere near the fucking band. It's all the way down here. It's nowhere near the band. Under full tension? Dude, it's nowhere near, oh, coming back, you're right, coming back up. Hey, look at that. I thought I fucked it bad for a second. I thought for a second there was nothing wrong, and I changed it for no reason. Nice, nice. That's good. Back to square one. I wonder if, without welding something, because I don't want to put on the jacket again, I wonder if I could actually just, maybe I could drill a big hole into this that the hook could latch onto. Maybe. Yeah, I guess it is technically a trebuchet, since it's a launching device with a counterweight. The counterweight just does nothing to fucking anything. I really don't see the vision. You will. You won't need to see a vision when you see it in reality. When you see it just happen and before your eyes. Okay, could I drill a hole here? Since I don't want to weld something. Nah, this hook is too big. Well, time to weld it back on. Will it still work with all the rubber bands? That is such a good question. Let's see. Here's a good test. I walked in a bad spot. Let's see. Let's just extend this winch. Okay. And this goes here, and it latches like here, right? Bang. And then it pulls, pulls, pulls. Oof, yeah, that is like suspiciously close to all the rubber bands. I think maybe the solution, God, the solution would be moving the winch to the side. Okay, say this all the way down, right? Boom, this winch is now like here. Oh, what if it's on top? This is hard. Spread out iron rods for the middle? That's not a bad idea. I was actually thinking, because there's like weird clearance down here. There's let me show you guys. If I pull this all the way down, then the metal hook has to be like here, you know, to like be able to pull it all the way back. So if I mounted it here, it would be weird. But if I mount it on top, I think it actually just has like barely enough clearance to make things happen. I might have to cut off some wood, but I'm thinking right here is the best and greatest answer. Yeah. And we can add that, right? Because if I put it, yeah, I put it like right here. Come on, more attention. I think. Boom. Boom. The little boom. And then it pulled back, it pulled back, it pulled back. Yeah, I think that barely does it. Let's see if it works on the way back up. It has a little bit of interference with the rubber band, for sure. But then when it gets all the way to the top, not really, kind of. Kind of it has interference. But I could cut away the wood there. Dude, what the fuck is the answer to this fucking piece of shit? Stupid fucking clearance. I hate clearance and shit. Yeah, I think it may catch on the rubber band. That is the great fear of this generation. Because that would look so bad. Why not route it underneath? Could it be routed underneath? You could have like a pulley here. Fucking pulleys, man. It's all pulley's fault. It's all the fault of every single pulley that's ever existed. Dude, fuck, we need to finish this so soon. It's 3:40. Okay. So this catapult arm goes up, right? Right? You guys understand. And we need it not to we need not the steel cable to interfere with the rubber bands. That's important. So where can we put the winch wire so that it doesn't fuck with the rubber bands? Here, it's like this. That's gonna interfere, I fear, with rubber bands. If it goes underneath, no, that would be fine. What is this? Oh, that's mounting the hook, so we can't take this metal bit off, right? Fuck. Run it through tubes? No. No, that wouldn't do anything. Eye bolts on the frame. That would be wacky and weird. Because I was thinking about moving this whole steel assembly like a little bit to the right. And then that would give us like a little bit of room. Because then the pulley would be over here, yeah? And it would still have to go underneath the rubber bands. But it would still have more clearance, I think. It would, yeah. Yeah, problem is that hook. Yeah, okay, what I could do, right? Hear me out. This, I cut off this. I cut off the pulley section and I mount the pulley section to a different spot on the catapult, right? Because then you wouldn't have to be like in line with the hook section at all. And you could pull it like from fucking, I don't know, here. Maybe the pulley can go like inside, right? Yeah, I feel like that's not a bad idea. Because then actually, yeah, we don't have to mount the pulley on the other side at all. We could just mount the pulley on the inside of the frame so that there's just like zero chance for interference. And then we route the winch a different way. Fuck, good idea, chat. Good idea, chat. Good idea, chat. Fucking good idea. Good idea. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit. Good shit, chat. Good shit, chat. That works 100% of the time, every time. Ah! Just a bowl. Just a bowl, boys. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. None. Goodbye, cool pulley thing. You are gonna get sliced off. Am I gonna have clearance for it? Maybe. Clearance for the bandsaw? Nah. No clearance for fucking anything. Yay. Okay. Would that change how far it pulls back? No, that should be fine because there's a sensor to tell it when to stop pulling back, right? Yeah. Frick, horizontal plank under the bolt end, too bad. I think a true bower one for the sub. I think the play is I just weld like another tube to this guy, so it's longer, and then I'm able to mount it like inside the frame here, so the pulley can go up and through it, right? I think so. Mount it to the frame here, then we can take off the pulley, put it through, and then it just goes brrr, like this goes brrr, and here's where the pulley is, straight like this, instead of like in a fucked horrible way, like and then I think there's no chance that it interferes with the bands because the bands are all on top of it. Yeah, that's smart. So I think I get like I think what we do, we take this, right? Thanks so much for the sub and the one. Will the power be enough with such a steep angle? There's only one way to test. There's only one way to find out, and that's to freaking do it. Would the sideways strain the pulley be on the pulley be a problem? I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say no. What I'm really deciding is the angle at which the pulley sits. Not the angle, sorry. Like the position at which the pulley sits. Like I think maybe the solution is to weld a bar along the bottom. Like, let me give you an example. You guys are gonna love this. Is it long enough? Oh yeah, barely long enough. Like that. I think, honest to God, I think that's the solution. So that the cable can come up underneath and then, yeah. Yeah. No, that's freaking awesome. That's awesome and that works every single time. Yeah. Maybe not use the pulley to back the metal loader, but 2 pistons? I don't know what you're saying. Nah, not 2 pistons. That's a whole redesign. It's a whole redesign that I cannot muster. Why not T the original bar? That's another good question. That's another really good, because I don't wanna. Because that one works, so I don't wanna. Okay, cool. Glad we got that out of the way. All right, yeah, I'm gonna weld this. Have I ever shown you guys the control panel for this thing? The setup's kind of cool. I was worried that the shock of the catapult would hurt the electronics. And I don't think I showed this in the video, but so I mounted like a weird custom suspension thing on it. Let me check that out. That's pretty sweet, huh? It's got like 4 springs and all this shit. So that the shock of the catapult would not, like the shock of the hit wouldn't damage the electronics. Like if I mounted it directly to the frame, you know? And it works. I mean, when I go frame by frame in the footage, it like goes whoosh, and it shakes a whole bunch. And the electronics haven't broken yet, which is nice. There's more than I can say for all my little targets. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty sick. It's pretty sweet. This camera, okay, this camera still works, but it's got a broken camera switcher. Just throw it here. Oops. Oh, I don't know what happened to the camera switcher. I can just see both the wires for the wide angle one just shattered. I need to replace the sensor on it. Yeah, I can live there. It'll be smaller. Fuck, I got this. Pull this way. Okay, I'm gonna piss. Piss and I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Now I just gotta weld this bar, and the bar will pull it back. It's kind of hard to weld, but it's fine. Okay. Yeah, I play the fake hand washing sound every time. That's what I set up in OBS off stream. Weld this bar on. Give me gloves and a mask, and I'll weld everything that needs to be welded. Oh, we're making good time though. I have to leave at like latest 6:30 p.m. PST. That's not too bad. I think we can get it done. Though I did not foresee this issue, if I'm being completely honest. So let's get the preparations done. Chiffon fun. Okay, boom, like this. And I weld this guy, like right here. Yeah, that's awesome, that's awesome, that's awesome. Like a couple markings and shit. Thank you, and here's up. Are the cameras gonna switch again? Nah, they're gonna switch again, 100%. They absolutely will switch again. Boop. And I make a little mark. And I make a little mark. And that's where I need to grind. And that's where I need to grind. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, and I gotta cut this. Yeah, fuck cutting it. Will you be able to catapult dogs when you're done? Dude, allegedly, I mean, that's the dream, right? The dream is you can just fling catapults even if I'm not here. Fling dogs even when I'm not present. I guess angle grinder time. That would have gone through my foot if I stepped on it. Like, yeah, like this. Clean that up. Nice. Don't want to be welding rust. That's dangerous. You wouldn't want to be doing anything dangerous. Nice sound, huh? Trebuchet. Yeah. This is good. Boom, like that. And then we're good. Yeah. Let me throw this on the table. Quickly throw you on the welding table. Dude, I feel like we're doing so much work for this, and there's no way that this catapult is a reoccurring character. Like, there's no way I keep this catapult in the garage for more than like 2 days. I just kind of want to see this idea work a couple times. Welding jacket. Yeah, realistically, it's in the garage for less time than we're working on it. I need bent off this stuff. Okay. Yeah, I can mount it to the ceiling. A little vertical integration. Welding jacket. It's gonna be gas. It's gonna be so good. Okay, I got some chlorinated brake cleaner, so I'm gonna clean off my weld with that. Always use that. Let's throw this here. Nice, that looks cool. Cool, that was a joke, also. And then I'm gonna clamp this shit on. Clamp this bad boy. Yeah. Actually, it can be elevated since I'm clamping it. Yes. Like this. And damn, dude. Okay, like this. And like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. And like straighten it up my eye. We're not doing any fancy shit, man. This is the shittiest weld. Cool. Nah, this is not sketch. This is not sketch whatsoever. I think, honestly, this is probably how most people do it. Let me show you the weld. Fuck yeah. I could turn the... This would probably make things nicer for you guys. Yeah, or you can't see anything, that'd be cool. Cool. Okay, okay. Now I got it on the table. I'm gonna get this shit on. Hey buddy, time to go. Probably a good idea. Oh, turn the gas on. Turn the gas on. Okay. I'm just gonna run it. Nah, I should pack it. Hey, did the camera switch? Hey guys, did the camera switch? Because that's usually the noise that happens when the camera switch. Oh, it's back. Oh man, it switched back to this. That means the low pass filter didn't work. Sad. Oh well. Fuck. Maybe a bigger capacitor is needed? Damn it! That's so tragic. Maybe because it's really close? Yeah, true. I don't know. Electronic engineers in the chat, would it work to get a bigger value ceramic disc capacitor on it? Or is that just like wishful thinking? Nice. Take that bad boy off. Depends. Man, fuck you. I feel like that's most of the answers in electrical engineering. Okay, squint your eyes really hard, chat. Fuck. That probably switched the cameras. Hell, do it again to switch back to this camera. No. 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 Nah. Fuck, I'm trying to get back to the tripod. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, buddy. No, no, no. Kinda that was. Come on. It really loves... Do you think maybe there's like an EMF thing? Because it really loves going to that high camera. This one's good enough, though. Yeah. This is like a nice cinematic shot of my fucking back. Yeah, just a dude welding. That's a little hot. Okay. It's a little cool. Let's hit this. Hopefully it doesn't do it again. And if it does, you just have to deal with it. Wow, I have to fill such a huge gap. I'm kind of the god of filling giant weld gaps, though. Because I never fixture my shit or cut it right. Oh, my finger's burning. Ow. I just gotta keep going, though. Just gotta power through it sometimes. And you got a really nice weld arc going. Welders in the chat will know what I mean. How the fuck does welding even switch the cameras? That's what we were trying to figure out, man. That's what we were trying to figure. Isn't that crazy? That can happen? This is a bit of a hard one. Whoa, we're back! Let's go. Yeah, okay. Let me hit this. It is a very deep weld, but I can hit it. Because I am the god of gap filling. I'm such a good shit welder. Okay, I wouldn't say I'm good at welding, but I'm pretty good at welding like trash together. There we go. And now we got it, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got a little pulley. Nice, nice. Cool, 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 cool. Frick it. And we even get, while it's cooling down, dude, look at this. Look, wait, watch this shit. Welders in the chat, you know what? Fuck, you know what's up. Yeah. Yeah, I clean my shit. Yeah, I clean my shit with a brush. Yeah, that epic moment when you fucking brush off your doo-doo booger weld with the brush. Oh yeah. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Okay, guys. Get the slag off. Dude, yeah, almost no slag. Almost no slag when you're doing TIG on a steel like that. TIG's very clean. Of all the welding processes, it's probably the best for the garage because I don't get as much lung poisoning from it. This shit will be hot still for a while, which gives us a good opportunity to drill the holes for mounting. Okay. So what I want is to mount it like right across there, so we're at a nice juicy angle, away from all the issues. This is hot as fuck though. So, whoops, there's wires down there. I'll just have to dodge those. Yeah. Like this. So we get out. We definitely need a hole here. I guess we just measure from the top, eh? Yeah. Okay, and then mark it with my Sharpie, wherever the fuck that is. Gas, gas! Turn the gas off. Fuck yes. Ooh, thank you for that. Thank you. That's actually super helpful. I forget that shit all the time. Okay, mark a point for drilling. And I mark another 2 points for drilling. Just random points, so we can drill to the bottom of the frame. Yeah, it's hot as shit, but... Bang, it's our boy. That's our boy. It's beautiful, beautiful drill press time. Ah, yeah. Fuck yeah. I hit this. It's Weber. Nah, it's Wen, bro. Hey, Lily. Tiny. Hey, you can come in. Huh? What's that? Hey.
How are you doing?
How does it smell? Probably fine. Okay. This catapult, I'm trying to make it like auto cock itself. Yeah. Yeah, maybe you should wear this. Okay, so trying to make it auto cock itself, but the problem is the winch cable is getting in the way of the rubber bands. So I'm offsetting it to the side, and that's what this is. So now I'm drilling a bunch of holes. It is so hot. Yeah, you probably gotta put on some slippers or something. Just took my mask. I'm gonna punch out these so it can drill straight through in probably one shot or 2 shots. Do you want to try? Yeah, okay, sure. Let's drill this out. Okay. So you gotta get some gloves, because it's super hot. Like that. this Christmas tree bit off. We'll put the normal drill bit on. And see if it's long enough. Yeah, it's long enough. And boom. I'm gonna tighten that up. Move the little table so it's in the right spot. Gas. And then you just, here, I'll give you gloves. Okay, this whole shit is hot, so try to not touch it. Oh, but here. Okay, how about you just don't touch the pipe ever? Okay, you can touch it here and that's okay. But just line it up with that drill bit to that little dot. Yeah? Okay, don't touch it here. Yeah, there's fine. I'll do that. And then the way you pull it down is this guy. So I want you to, yeah, you just drill the hole by pulling that down. Yeah, yeah. You see it? Okay. Okay, now let it up a little bit. Is it lined up? Kinda. Yeah, go. Nice. Harder. A little bit harder. Nice. And I keep going because we want to go to the bottom as well and go all the way through. Yeah, you're doing great. That's good. Keep going.
I can't use both hands.
Just use one. Okay, stop. Okay. Well, I drilled through the table. But that's okay. No. I realized this weird color. That's okay. Yeah, it's pretty funny I can drill through the table.
So why can't you do that?
Cause it's, I mean, shit, it's meant to drill metal, you know?
You can't do that.
So why? Okay, you gotta drill 2 more.
Why?
Cause I got 2 more to drill.
I gotta go.
No, you can't, you got it. Okay, right here, see?
Okay.
See there? Okay. Now flip it on, and you got it. All right, flip it on.
This one?
This guy, flip it towards you. Yeah. Yeah. It's great. All right, keep it going. Nice, keep it going until it pushes through. Harder. Nice. Oh, good job. Down. You can do this if you want. Like that. Okay, last hole. Thanks for the help. That's pretty good. Thanks for the help. Yeah. Yeah, go.
You need a mat?
Not anymore. Probably. Nice. Yeah, all the way. Yeah. Oh, you're a natural.
No.
It's like you're working in the World War II war effort in a factory somewhere. That's pretty good.
Why do you need holes?
To mount it to the wood.
Am I wearing this for no reason?
Yeah, now,
Why
yeah.
did you tell me? I couldn't breathe. Oh.
Not really. No, I'm alright. Thanks though. Let me know if you want to drill more holes or whatever. Yeah, okay. Okay, bye. Alright. Yeah, that was sweet. That's like she was contributing to the war effort. Nah, no gloves for this. Isn't that the rule? You're not supposed to wear gloves with like spinning things? Because they can get sucked in and rip your hand up. I feel like I heard that somewhere and I just do it because then you don't have to wear gloves, which is nice. Yeah, for real. Yeah. Okay. So here. Just finish up these holes. Make it a little bigger. Whoops. Dude, you gotta love the drill press. Such a simple shitter machine that costs like almost nothing. I didn't tighten it enough. But it's so useful. So useful if you ever wanted to like manufacture firearms in your garage. Sweet. Now this side. Cool. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. See that shit? That's a beauty. Yeah, right through. Okay, now we mount it on the bottom of the catapult. Somehow. Chad, you remember how I was telling you a bunch that camera gun would pay off and you would all see? I'm not saying that with this. I don't know if this pays off in an awesome way, but we're still gonna do it. Huh. I wonder if we can mount it on top. No, that's fucking stupid. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. Yeah, it's coming. Okay. Alexa, give me a paper towel. That'd be cool. Cool if one just flew out from the sky and it dropped right onto me. That's what I want for the garage. Here. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's get this shit here. Let's get this shit. Realistically, I do gotta flip the catapult over. I think we'll hit it like this. Boom, and then we don't slice the sensor wire for the spring. That'd be nice. That would be so fucking funny if we slice the sensor wire for the spring. Nice. Wonder how much force this is going to exert? Dude, Mark Rober could tell you. That was kind of cool when he did that calculation. I did not know what the fuck he was talking about, though. Here. One more clamp. Ooh, I fucked up. Whatever, just one hole over here. Nice. Nice, nice. Flip this bad boy. And I just fucking flip it around with my giant, awesome muscles. Let me get some screws from the screws drawer. Yeah, this will do. This will do nicely. I think. Yeah, maybe that. You know the screws drawer. Flip this bad boy. Yeah, whatever. Okay. That seems safe. Okay. That seems safe. Okay, that seems unsafe. I can screw one. Yeah, I can do one. I can do a single one. Fuck. hit this with the shoulder. Shoulder check this. Safe. Not safe. 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 Oh my God, perfect. Thank God. Could you screw this in? Please, please, right here. No. Yeah. Please, please. Please screw it in. Please screw it. Please, it's heavy. Please screw it. Really, please. Please. Here. Can you please screw it? Please screw it in. Please.
What do you want?
Can you screw that in?
Oh, sorry. Where is it?
Put it in this. Don't touch the metal because it's hot.
Which metal?
Yeah, all of it.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
More?
No, it's perfect. Wow, beauty. Thanks, honey.
Yeah.
Good job.
You didn't say anything about my shoes though.
Sorry, sorry.
You didn't let me.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I love the shoes though. I love the shoes. They look great. Okay.
Hang out.
Clamps come off. Yeah.
You need help? I'll help you.
Yeah, you can help me.
Yeah. I'll give you a little assistant. What do you need?
Okay.
Whoa! Why?
Oh, that's for launching. Because I got it for a video and I never used it. But I filled it with water. Yeah, it's supposed to be like a hyper durable toy. You can grab it, but it wasn't heavy enough, so I filled it with water.
You need help?
Yeah, kind of. Okay, so now let's take this and shit ass. There. Okay. Just gotta spool the winch through this little pulley. We're good on time, right? Surely. Okay. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah. Those are pretty cool shoes, honey. Huh?
My shoes have toe protection at least.
Nah, this is fine. Yeah. How do we get this through the pulley? 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 No, there's a... Okay, no, okay. You thought I was stupid. You all thought I was stupid. No, there's a... I think there's a thing to get the little pin out. Snap ring? Snap ring? Please? Please? Come on. Oh! Okay. Oh, thank fucking God. That would have been so incredibly sad. That's what you see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it had like a circlip, little clip thing here to show you that guy. No, put it back on. I don't know what's going on. It is huge for these pliers, though. Come on, go back. What if I just let it sit? Oh, I see. Where'd she go? I think I need to clamp this one. It looks like the heat from the weld kind of warped it, the frame, so I gotta clamp it to get the pin back on. It's all very scientific. Or I guess the clip back on. Check out my clips. Come on. Fucking rat bitch. Huh. Okay. No problem. My snap ring pliers. Cool. Now you can see the majesty of this assembly. This goes here, and then this goes right here. And I guess I didn't have to cut the thing off at all. Yeah. Whoops. Oops. I guess I could just drill a really big hole. Yeah, new and improved catapult. So that Twitch chat can fire it. Yeah, whoops. Turns out we did not, I repeat, did not need to cut that thing off. And what a shame that is. But I think we'll be okay. I'm just gonna drill a big hole for the clip to kind of mount to. Oh my God, hot chips, oh my God. here's my plan. This hooks in kind of like that. Yeah. I just have to make it very large. Yeah, who'd have figured the flip-flops weren't gonna do it? Biggest Christmas tree bit I have. What do you got going on, Lily? Okay. Nice. That's good. That seems good to me. You guys see that, right? Yeah, that seems great. Seems really good. So we just gotta retract this. See, this is what happens when you wear flip-flops. Fuck you, man. They've been working great. Except for that one situation just now, where the hot metal chips are falling on my toes. This looks good though. I'm gonna piss and then I'll be right back. Probably can't hear shit. Does it look cool, the shot of Lily dancing while I piss? With no audio of the music. I bet that looks really good. Penny.
Hi. Can I make a TikTok video for us?
Yeah, go for it. Make a TikTok.
I want you to be in
You
the
look so sweaty. Okay, I'm gonna arm this shit now. Yeah. F it. I mean, it should work. I think it should work. I think it should work. Yeah, it should work. Okay, okay. Honey.
I'm so tired.
It's not turned on. Yeah, fair. Hey, on the keyboard, can you do me a favor? Could you press the up arrow key and then hit enter? Thank you. Whoa, 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 whoa. That was a bad noise. That was the noise of, yeah. Okay. No, there's a solution to this. The solution is, so it was at a good angle, and then it's now at a bad angle. Like kind of a horrible angle. It's no longer like on the pulley, you know, it's like now it's binding on the metal. So realistically, we just have to move. It's fucked, yeah. But what we gotta do, oh man, there's probably so much tension on this. What we gotta do is, I think just move this pivot point lower, and then it'll always be on the pulley. Like move it, so like here's the line, we move it like here, and then we're good and we're golden. Yeah, like right here. And I mark it with my Sharpie, wherever the fuck the Sharpie is. Yeah, like here. I mean, the line won't, it's not as good for, it'll have to pull more torque, but at least it won't bind up on the metal. You see what I mean, right? The pulley should have been standing up. Well, it's not. It's not. Yeah, we just need some kind of like hook here. Actually, dude, I might have a U-bolt so that we can adjust where it goes. Holy shit. Dude, that could be exact. Look at, wow. Dude, we don't need to weld fucking dick or shit. We just put this here, right? And then that's like a hook. And that just works, right? Yeah. And then you can adjust the angle anytime. And then I don't have to weld more, which is kind of the main thing. Because I've been taking huge L's on just welding shit, and then it's not the right place. And it doesn't work. Holy fucking shit. I found an even better one. I just got these random guys hanging around in my hardware drawer. I should probably take the tension off this thing. Yeah, I gotta take the tension off this thing. Yeah, smart. All right, one of the first reasonable chat messages. So I gotta pull this down, undo that, slice my fucking fingers. Yes. Line over. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now I'm gonna throw this guy here like that. I think that's beautiful. I think that works really well. I'm gonna just use the components of both, which are kind of the same size. I don't even know what you would call this piece of hardware, like a plumber bolt. Okay. Nah, I would never hit myself in the nuts in a very embarrassing way with a catapult. Let's throw the nuts on like this. That shit's gonna take forever. Right? And then we put it like this with the plate on this side. And there's no way this shit goes wrong. I don't like the idea of that weight loosely dangling. Who does? But the solution's like a rail system or raw dog it, you know? And considering once we finish this thing, I'm gonna use it for like 2 days. Then I'm gonna throw it in the fucking trash. I'm not gonna do a rail system. Yeah, that's not... Dude, it's so close. It's so close to being so easy. Fuck, I need a different one. Just need a different metal plate with holes in it. Which I'm sure I own. Yeah, I do. I think. Yeah. Okay. New metal plate. Steal your metal plate. And I think you guys can see the vision here. This will be like the hook latch. Boom. And then boom. Look at that. That's pretty good. You super DEFCON 5 Prime. Can't wait to see this fully operational, dude. Me too. And then that's it. I think it will be about 2 hours of me seeing it work fully automated until I get tired of it and then throw it in the fucking trash for all eternity. Then it goes where all of my projects go to die, to William Osman's house. Oh, further down, yeah? Down here. Nice. That's good. Okay. To William Osman's storage shed. To William Osman's storage shed. Okay. Gotta sit on this bad boy. If I just tighten her up, I think she will be good to go. okay if it's a little angled. It's actually good if it's a little angled. As long as it doesn't like come off and go 80 miles an hour through my garage door, I'm pretty happy. I'll be pretty happy with the result. A bit higher would be optimal. It actually wouldn't. If it was a little higher, like here, it would be, we'd get the same binding issue. So we got to put it here so that it's always like pulling on the pulley. Higher would be like better for torque and leverage and stuff, but then nothing would work. Okay. 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 Nice. Now check this out. Oh, this shit binded up real bad. Here. Oh. Oh no. Huh. Okay, maybe it didn't bind at the winch. Maybe it didn't bind at the pivot. I think it bound at the winch. Because the winch is now offset and it's stuck like in the wall there. Fuck. Dude, my passion fruit plants are doing really well, actually. They went through kind of a harsh Los Angeles winter, but now I think that they'll come back and be exceptionally stronger. Oh, it's so fucked up. Right, so we forgot to put the winch in line with where the cable's getting retracted. So all of the cable like was biased towards this side and got clogged up. I think that's actually what clogged it. Oh no, that's so not good. Ah! What was that? What was that? That was crazy. Okay, anyways. Ignoring that for now. I'd touch these two terminals together. I guess I gotta retract this. Like electrically retract this. So, how do I do that? I feel like I just have to touch two of these together. But which two? No, not retract. I have to extend this. So it's motor, okay, so it's battery minus. This is battery plus. Yeah, but we don't know which way they... Ah, fuck, I don't know. Dude, this like hung itself with this umbilical cord. If I could only pull this out. Oh, it's really binded up there. Maybe the solution is taking off this freaking thing. Yeah. Dude, I guess I identified the wrong problem. Sad. Oh, man. Oh, it really, really hung itself here. Okay, okay. It's a little better. This actually happened a lot on the lawnmower trip that I did. Because we had Harbor Freight winches on the front of our lawnmowers to pull each other out of shit. And like, every other time we used them, they would bind up like this. So weirdly, I kind of know how to undo it. It's just very, very time consuming. Come on. Come on. Fuck. Need a better guide? I don't think it's a guide. I think we just have to remember to move it over here. Okay, if I work like... I guess this is kind of a dog shit guide, but if we could just pull this out. If I could just pull that out. Yikes. think I need to extend it. Huh. But I don't know which terminals extend it, and I wouldn't want to tighten it more. Ow. Winch retract. I guess I could write it into the fucking jammed the winch. That's so unfortunate. I keep thinking I can just pull it out. Because it feels like I should be able to. Come on, just come up there. Okay, let's just pull this up here. Dude, I fucking hate winches. For the lawnmower trip we did, these steel cables started like fraying and getting covered in steel splinters. Super cool. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. That's great. Yes, yes, yes. Unhang yourself. Unhang yourself. Why would they make the gap the exact like winch cord diameter? You know? Oh, it's so close. It's so nice. Yes, yes. Now, should be able to like hand rotate this, and it will unhang itself. I think. Yes. You just have to go over. Each so. Fucking piece of shit. Go that way. Yes. Yes. Dude, I'm glad I learned this. How to do this exact thing. The guy I was with taught me how to do it. Thank you, Alice. Charge this up. Come on. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes, okay. And now I just pull this down, I think. I should undo it. Just a little bit. That's what I've been training for. Yeah. Oh, God. Yeah. So let me slam this down. Oh, this is so ass. It is really close. Oh, there we go. It's just that easy. It's just that fucking easy. Thank you, Psycho Drew, for the gifted sub. It's just that easy. Oh no, it's still caught. Piece of shit. Fuck. It's just the smallest bit. I have to try out. Yeah. Rock it back and forth. Fucking. Yes. Now it's all tied in a knot, but it's good. It's good. Everything is good. Everything is good. Everything is great. Yeah. Kind of kinked up the wire a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, we can just bend it back. Nice. Okay. Yes. Perfect. And now that can never happen again. So I'm gonna take it off and we'll remount it. come off, and now you just get mounted like perfectly right here. Perfectly like one little move over it. You guys see why it bound up? Because it was all off axis with what it was pulling. So that means the cable all goes to like one side instead of like right down the middle. There we go. Ah, yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is so much better than doing it in the middle of the desert on a lawnmower. But that was good times. I think I'm gonna see that guy this weekend at a hackathon. C90 Adventures. Come on, move a little bit up this way. It's just that easy. It's just that easy. Nice. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Now I think that problem never ever happens again. Oops, forgot about this. This looks like a new spot for it. Fuck it. You live here now. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now, if we keep constant tension on it, that should never, ever, ever happen again. All right. Just run it back through, and you keep nice, awesome tension on it, onto our hook thing. And that's, I think that's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing that's happening. Yeah. What are you up to? Could you do the same thing and arm it? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Oh, stop it. Oh, right, you can't stop it. What the fuck just happened? Why did it start letting it out? What? It started like letting out. The clutch is in. It's not backwards, no, it was always like this. Ellie, could you hit the button again?
Up and enter?
Yeah. One more? Oh. One sec. Hit Control C. Again.
Again, Control C?
Oh no, up and enter now. Oh, I see. I think it, oh! The arm is down. Hey guys, the arm is down. The arm is down. Hey, the arm is down. So it thinks it pulled it all the way down, and then it's reversing. Okay, that's rough. Yeah.
Can I use this table?
Yeah. Yeah, go for it. Yeah. Oh guys, it's because the arm is down. It's because the arm is down. Okay? I see a problem. Okay.
Can I go on it?
Yeah. There you go. Okay. Slight problem. The hook is getting pulled into the pulley, which is never good. But it's so close. The arm is down, which is great. But the hook is getting pulled into the pulley, which is not great. So, this is a very precarious situation. Gotta let this out, and yeah, it's hooked, so. Oh, there's so much tension that I can't undo the clutch. Heard, okay. That's bad. Okay, if I just push down on this. Yikes. I do this. That gets some tension off it. I guess I could push it down. Hey Lily, could you press that down?
Press what then?
The bowl
This?
or the metal bar? Actually, could you step on this metal bar?
This?
This.
I don't want to die.
You won't. It'll be okay.
Alright.
Yeah, step on it. If anything, it gets me.
I'm really
Can you step on it?
This?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
A little more. Okay,
I'll let that go.
thank you.
Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay, bye.
I'll be right back.
That did not help. That did not help at all. Oh no, my fucking catapult's all bound up. But there's a solution to this somewhere in the cards. Yikes. Oh, okay, I got the solution. I can do this to hold it down constantly, right? Then that takes all the slack out, some of the slack out. Then I can pop the clutch. Nice, okay. Good. This poor winch is so fucked up. It's seen better days for sure. That's good. Kind of great, actually. Nice. I probably should have implemented like a manual winder, eh? Some kind of like thing to do it manually, because now it's all tangled up. But yeah, I can just wind it by hand and everything will be good. Sometimes it ties itself in a knot and like hangs itself with its umbilical cord. Not super ideal. Pop the clutch back. Okay, good. There we go. Okay, now I can come over here. That goes back up, or it would. And dude, this is scary. Pop the clutch again. Let that out slowly. Oh. Good. Oh, fuck, dude. Thank you, Sunbum, for the sub. Comes up. Bang. Look at that. Lily, do you want to build anything? Do you want to, like, build something? Okay, yeah. No?
If you need me, I'll help you.
I know. Thank you. I'll let you know. Okay. Yeah, what time is it? It's fine. We just have to move this lower down, and then I think the whole thing works. Okay. Now it's really gonna have to pull its weight. But holy fuck, I hope it works. Bend the shit out of this side. Bend the shit out of this side. Yeah, that could never move. Except for how it's fucking moving right now. Yeah, no way that moves. Okay. One more time for the road. Here we go, boys. That worked pretty good. Thank you, changing in space capital. So that worked really good. I think we add half a sec, maybe 1 second more to the retraction. I don't know what that fucking sound was. I'll have to double check that. It sounded like some horrible shit happened in the middle, but other than that, I sort of did it. Thank you, Soldier, for the sub. Yeah, it's like 90%. There. I am really afraid of this slipping up because, oh yeah, I can move it with my my fucking hand. So that's, yeah, that's bad. But I think other than that, I think it works really good. I think that's what the noise must have been, is this slipping. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill through it and just like mount like an M5 bolt or something. It's like 5.5 millimeter drill bit. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Thank you for the bell popper for it. Yeah, I did something else broke. Host a hackathon at SF. Dude, we did host a hackathon in San Francisco. That shit happened already. Yeah, that sounded so bad. It's fine though. We did it like a few months ago. I would say like 3 months ago, 2 months ago maybe. Nice. So let's prevent this shit from sliding. Oh yeah, disarm the arm. Smart. Smart guy. Let's get the right nut before I do that. Just gotta get the right nut. And this bolt, fuck yeah, I should do this. Whoop. That would hurt, huh? So this bolt, I'm gonna slap through here so that it just makes like a little stud popping out so that the this little hook thing cannot slide up anymore, because that must have been what that scary sound was. Cool. And I'll just freaking hand tighten that. Gonna get this. There's a couple reasonable messages in the chat. There's a couple good ones. Disarm the catapult. Turn off the gas. Probably some of my favorites so far. Okay. Nice. Look at that. See, now I can't slip past it, and you'll see why. This is good. Okay, boys, one more for the road. Ugh. Thank you, Wilkes, for the sub. Yeah, sometimes you just have to send a thing. sometimes. Okay, send it. That's so fucking sick. That's so fucking sick. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Let me put one more second on the retraction up, right? Because it's gonna slam into this, and it's gonna put so much pressure on the cable, and then that's gonna destroy the winch. So okay, yeah. So I'm gonna turn this off, and then what I'm gonna do is I unplug the ESP from the little control board I made, and we're gonna add, like, I don't know, what do you say, like 1 second more? From 7 seconds to like 8 seconds? Tasty Taco for the sub, and Hutchie for the sub. Yeah. This is good. This is good. What does the additional metal bar do? That cocks the catapult and makes it so I never have to touch the winch again. So it, like, fully automates it. Where's my gun? How do I switch cameras? Well, you seen the gun? Man, I can't, oh. Okay. Boom. This. Boom. Yeah, I don't know how some of you seen it. Oh. Something shut off my desk camera. That's weird. Looks like I'm dead. Okay. And then I head back. I'm gonna go over here to our VS Code, and we are just gonna tweak it by, like, I think, yeah, 1 more second. So that's 8 seconds instead of 7 seconds. Hit the upload. Oh god. The welding fucked the dude, the welding honestly might have fucked the cameras up, yeah. What a weird event to mess up the cameras. Any chance the wood stopper for the metal bar just fucking breaks when the catapult is launched? Like, high? I guess the chance would be high. It's good? Okay. Pop. Cool. Back to you guys. Okay. Oh, this shit is falling apart. But I just want it to work a few times, enough for every long-term subscriber to launch the catapult. I don't know how many of you there are, probably like, I don't know. Well, it gotta be like 10, maybe. And then fuck it. Maybe some random people get to launch it. Maybe everyone gets to launch this shit. Okay. Nice. Let me hit it again. There are dozens of us? There's no way there's dozens of you, right? That works so fucking well. That works so good. Doesn't that look fucking sick? Right? It looks good, no? All right, let me hit this fire command. Let's fire it with just one band, because there's no way we can not do that. Fire. Oh, it needs compressed air to fire, because it's a little piston down there. Okay, tell me it doesn't look really sick. Every single doubter in the chat, I feel like your mouths are hushed by just seeing how awesome that looks. Okay, nice. The command is the IP address /fire. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Fuck yes. Okay, okay. Now, again, not with touching it. I'm gonna reset and see how it does. No touching needed. No human interaction, no nothing. Yeah, we should put something in it. Dude, that's beginning to end, back to front. Get a little bit of duty. Oh, fuck yeah, okay. Okay. Fucking, this is one band, so I don't know how well this fires, this dude. Oh yeah, and not all of you have seen our boy. Dude, our boy is not doing great. But he's holding it together. Odds are he breaks. 1 to 10, odds? Anyone? No? Okay. Dude, he's too strong. Right? I think, yeah, odds are it dunks on the electronics. Okay, slash fire. No, he's fucking leaking already. No, bro. No. Look. Shit. No, I don't think it was from the fall. I think it was from landing on a sharp piece of steel. Fuck. Okay, we fixed him. No, our boy Stretch. Our boy Stretch can't go out like that. Fuck, this was supposed to be like the repeatable target. I don't know. I don't know what to shoot if it's not him. I have like 3 watermelons that I got from like the really shitty, from my Ralph, so they're all shitty. But I made sure to get the ones that are like really ugly that probably no one would grab. That's the shit that Ralph's gonna throw out anyway. I think, let me fix this hole real quick. I'll patch you up right as rain, pal. Don't you worry. Fuck me in my little butt, dude. Oh. I'm gonna save you, bro. I will save you. It's a gusher. He's got a bit of a gusher on him. Dude, I thought this shit was supposed to be like impenetrable. Fuck. Dude, that's unfortunate. Okay, I twist. Then I'm gonna just give him like a tourniquet, you know? Like some first aid shit. Yeah, I did nick an artery, unfortunately. Boom. Oh yeah, I could fix anyone. I could be like a battlefield medic. Bro's good. Just like that, bro's good. Just like that. Isolated. Hey, take 2 of these. Take 2 of these and come back in the morning, buddy. He's good. Fuck. Okay, he's not good. Okay. There's a solution to this. Fuck. Oh, that felt... Fucking shit, dude. This was supposed to be able to fling, like, in my mind, it's embarrassing to say now, but like 50 times. At full power. What do you shoot? Okay, that ain't coming off, right? That ain't coming off. Yeah, I think it just wasn't enough torque on it. I'm just gonna torque it down. And then we can try with, I think I have 4 bands on the catapult right now because they keep snapping. They just keep breaking. Okay, that's tight, that's tight. That, right as rain. Clean up the wound. Get back in the fight. Get back in the fight, pal. Get a bag of water balloons? Yeah, that's probably a good idea. I don't really want to do potatoes unless they're just rotten. I'm cool to fling a couple of ugly watermelons. Thank you, I feel like that was solid surgery. Okay. Okay, we can test it with more bands now. I'm gonna point it, I guess, that way. And move my shit. That'd really be sad if it got on my stuff. Oh, fuck, the water's all sticky. Cause he has like a sugar-based syrup inside of him. Oh, I'm all fucking sticky now. Fuck. Okay, now what are the odds that it pops? Honestly, 3 beat clapped out rubber bands aren't gonna be very much. So I doubt he flies too far. No. But fuck. Dude, he sprung a gusher again. Man. He's shooting fucking sugar water all over the garage. It just flipped off. I'm gonna use my Gorilla Tape and that's all I got. Why does the zip tie keep failing? Dude, I wanna know why I keep saying, okay. 100% gonna explode? I think not. I think he just nicked like an artery on something sharp. Keep pressure on the wound, pal. Okay. Oh, shooting sugar water all over the garage. I hope I don't get ants. Okay, Gorilla Tape on the wound. How's he looking? Flex tape? Dude, I have no flex tape. I'm just gonna shoot him at the fucking wall, man. Whatever, if he gushes. Okay, I'm gonna load this shit with all that I have. Oh shit! Huh, well I guess that's a fine place to fail. The catapult arm just never hooked on the hook. Weird. Well, anyways, back to it. It's kind of a great failure though. Now it went down far enough, it just completely missed the hook. A great... Fuck. Huh. Again, a great way to fail. A great way to fail. Oh, there's sugar water all over the garage. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I gotta clamp his gusher first. It'll be okay. Flex Armstrong. It'll be okay. I'm thinking... Fuck, I don't know what I'm thinking. Man, that pulley hook jumping around, yeah, that was scary. I didn't love that. And it is bending really bad. I think it's getting pulled from this side, which is flexing Man, it is hard as shit to pull back. It's from this side, which I think is, oh, wow. Yeah, I think the hinge is flexing, which is bad. Just not good. Oh, I forgot to put a screw in one of these hinges. Maybe that's why it's, I think it's flexing so much, it's forcing the arm to like miss the hook, like boop. Yeah, I did forget. And the U-bolt is sliding. The U-bolt is sliding and it's really scary, but I think it's okay. Maybe that's a feature of it, that the U-bolt slides. It's amazing the door hinge is still okay. That's cool, I think. Yeah, I should probably put another bolt right under it. But I don't know if you guys can see this. Shit. Drawbar. Get over there. Wow. Yeah, it just falls, huh? I forgot to put a screw in, so I think it's not being very nice and rigid.
Sorry to hear about your brother that passed away.
Fuck. Thanks for the gifted sub. I don't give a shit that guy. Boom! So, my solution is I will take this out. Yeah, I definitely need a screw there. Yeah, I think it's flexing the hinge, and then the hinge is like, it's like misaligning itself. So I have to take this off. If I'm lucky, I don't have to disassemble anything else, and I can just do it like this. Yeah, I could definitely fit it in there. You're the talk of the town. My fate to be clearer. Oh, okay. How did I forget that? Actually, how did you guys not remind me to do that? Seems like an oversight for me. Let's tighten this bad boy up. Nice. Sorry, Lily. Cool. Cool. And I'm sure this U-bolt isn't about to fucking snap and kill itself. Yikes. Just yikes. Okay. Now I drill another hole. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and drill another hole into this, because it's, honest to God, it's kind of scary. I don't like that. When it skips around. Is this 5.5 millimeters? Maybe. It'll work. Just you wait, chat. It'll work. I think this is up. It's definitely getting hot. Whatever. Man, fuck the cutting fluid. he said, as he got the cutting fluid. Yikes. Yeah, okay, maybe we'd do a smaller drill bit. Damn, I be work hardening a lot of shit. As they would say. Come on, Baba. Come on, Baba. You can do it. Oh, thank you, Zero, for the 5 gifted subs. Oh, fuck. For the 5 big booms, just for that, we're doing 2 drywall repair streams next stream. I don't know what to tell you. I know. That's what you're wanting, so I'm gonna do it. Let's fucking go! Drywall repair! How do I fix my drywall? Fuck, wrong bit. I don't know. I think this bit is so dull from our bad cutting there. Oh well. Damn. Yeah, this job is fucked. Whoopsies. 6. Good old Christmas tree. Never gets dull. Somehow. I don't know how these never get dull. Feels like they always work. And nothing ever goes wrong. Oh shit. Okay. I mean, really, this bottom one is more for my own feelings, because the top one's the one you really need. If the top one comes out, bad shit would happen. If the bottom one comes out, it's like whatever. Oh boy, but if the top one comes out, that would look cool. Whatever happens, it would look cool. Thank you, dude, for the sub. Fucking. Nah, I will not do a catapult next. I can't be like Ross, whatever. When the animal-based catapult community really calms down, then we can get back to it. Okay. I think with those improvements, yeah, it is kind of leaning to the side just naturally. I think it's because this hinge. Yeah, let's tighten the door hinge as well. The door hinge is like bending and warping. Dimtree, still not broken, bud. Still not broken. I feel like you lose the bet, surely. Strip that. Stripped it. 100% strip that. Fuck. How? How's that? Yeah. That's the right size of Torx. Sorry, Lily. Cool. I think you're wrong. Mark my words, it breaks? Nah, bro, no. Oh, my shit's gonna be sticky. My shit's all sticky. Beauty. Very nice. Come on up, buddy. Oof. I think if it gets pulled down this way, Yeah, it just misses every time. Because the hinge is so floppy. Ugh, I have no solution except for just trying it again. Because, yeah, it's crooked. Because the hinge, I mean, the hinge isn't, it's not having the best day ever. But I think with this improvement, I think it might latch. I mean, I hope it latched. You know, some things can bend and warp. I mean, it's kind of like a hinge anyway. You know, you want to bend and warp your hinge. Yeah, okay, I think it works. Fucker. We got another failed latched, boys. Oh, it's so sad to see, dude. I'm not making a guide for it. Fuck the guide. 100% we can just make it work, you know? This feels very stiff. The drawbar feels super stiff now. Let's just work it without the bands. Maybe I just move where the hook is, you know? Okay, it's getting pulled, it's getting pulled, it's getting pulled. Yeah, like obviously it misses here. It's because the hinge is so bent. What if I just bend it the other way? Okay, I've bent it the other way. Let's see. It's a, fuck, what is it called? It's a compliant mechanism. You know that. You know that, right? From engineering. It's just a compliant mechanism, bro. Fuck! No! Well, it's good enough for me. It's good enough for me. Yikes. Yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes forever. Okay. Also, because of that little snafu, the drawbar doesn't look like it reset all the way back up. And now I'm like way more scared of this thing because it's got all its rubber bands on it. Yikes, 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 yikes. Fuck. What can I do to make this not be bad? Okay, I know. I'm kind of below the danger zone. Okay, there we go. That lets the drawbar reset, boom. And we've definitely got to fire this shit. So the only safe way at this point is to just shoot it. Okay, odds are he breaks. I think he doesn't break. I don't even think he goes very far. Okay, gamers. Let's try this shit out. I'm never gonna get this clean. Dude. It's so sticky, bro. It's It's like sugar water everywhere. Cool. Maybe we could patch him up. Yeah, chat, maybe we patch it, maybe we patch a little stretch up. Fuck, it got on everything I own. Well, that was a good stream, boys. I think that is pretty awesome. Do I have to leave yet? No. No, I still got time. This should survive.
Gotta go soon.
We gotta go soon?
It's really far.
Yeah? Shit.
What happened?
Dude, my chat, they said that this shit wouldn't break and then it fucking exploded all over. Idiots, yeah? Stupid fucking morons. Mm. Mm. Mm.
What exploded?
Dude, I don't know. Must have been like a pipe or something.
Where is it?
All over everywhere. You see all the water on the ceiling and... Dude.
Oh.
Yeah, it's all sugar
Ew,
water
yucky.
too.
I'm leaving your garage now.
Okay. Okay. Why? That was...
You should get ready soon, okay?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Bye, chat.
Why was it sugar water? Because that's what they fill this fucking guy with, dude. They fill him with sugar water. I think so that when kids open it up, they get a sweet treat as a reward for destroying him. Fuck. Dude. There's so much fucking water, bro. It's so sticky. It's like my feet are all sticky and shit. Fuck, dude. Fuck, dude. No. Well, that was a fun stream, chat. Shit, Catapult works. Now you guys should be able to shoot it. And I'll set it up next stream for you guys to shoot. Fuck. Oh, fuck, dude. Thank you, Forbler, the Vast Storm, Bull Dragon, God, the Frenchman, and Dude for the subs. Fuck! Yeah, I have to go somewhere at 6:30 anyways. And so now I'm gonna spend, I guess, the next hour cleaning this up. And then I gotta leave. So, yeah, that. Thanks for coming. Nice, quick, short stream. Oh, thank you, Zio, for the sub. Okay, that's fucking awesome. No, man. No, bro. Let's see, who the frick is streaming? We got Doug. All right, go say hi to Doug. Thank you for coming to the short stream. We were gonna finish it off today, but we didn't. So that's fine. That's fine. I think we'll do it tomorrow, or maybe the next day. I don't know. Okay. Well, say hi to Doug for me, and then maybe we get the Roomba on it. You know what I mean? Maybe we get the cleaning Roomba to fucking clean. Dude, it's so sticky everywhere. We'll do chat integration next time. We'll do chat integration next time. All right, see you later, gamers. Thank you for coming. I think, you know what? Probably tomorrow. Tomorrow, because then I'll have it cleaned up. I don't think shit going on tomorrow. Tomorrow, we'll call it tomorrow. We'll say it tomorrow. Or maybe never again. I don't know.